Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl FYN. How you guys doing? I need an angel to save me from myself. If you're new here, you're welcome to the FYN family, and I want to say thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you're not new here, I appreciate you for coming back, and I thank you for coming back. And I don't know what else to do like keep on saying thank you. Hey guys, so as you all know, probably from the title, that's why you clicked on this video, I will be reviewing the MakeupShayla x Colourpop Cosmetics makeup collaboration product. I just think that's too much and not necessary. You get the drift. I'm really excited for this launch, for this collab. Little story time. Before MakeupShayla came to YouTube, she used to do a paid online makeup class through Live Glam. I don't know, it's been a long time ago, more than 4 years ago, through Live Glam. And because I love her and I love her personality, I think I subscribe to Live Glam, and every month or twice in a month MakeupShayla is live doing our face, doing a full bit, sharing our favorite product, doing highlights and contour. And I always have interest, and I will log in to watch her. Obviously I pay for it, so maybe like I don't know how much I was paying every month just to watch MakeupShayla beat our face. You know, she's really good, she's talented with makeup. And I was so happy when she joined YouTube because I'm gonna be having that for free. So yeah, so that is a bit of the little story I have with MakeupShayla. So when she did her first collab with Colourpop, I didn't get the chance to buy it. I think at that time it was really sold out, and a lot of people were like, the demand was really high. I think money wise was probably scarce because I have a priority what I want to do with my money. So I received my parcel like this, really nice, all the way from LA. This all our product here. Although I bought all of this collection, all of it, but I didn't get the PR pack, a kit or PR packet, that beautiful lovely box. I didn't get it just because it's just going to be too big to fit into my letterbox box, and I think I might have to pay more money to go get it from my post office. So that's why I decided to buy everything individually. 5 collection right here. Packaging wise, it's beautiful. I really love this concept, and it's like under construction. You know, when you go to like a work site, wear your safety outfit kind of vibe. That's what I'm getting from this palette. So the collection is called Proceed with Caution. So the eyeshadow press powder palette cost $12, and roughly in pounds is about £9.50 in pounds. Also the 2 lip bundles cost $12 each, and in pounds is about roughly £9.50 each for the bundles. And for the compact blush, they cost $8 each, and roughly about in pounds cost £6.35 or £6.50 each. I say price wise they're not bad, they are affordable. I think everyone into makeup can afford any of this collection. I'm gonna start up with a lip bundle first in terms of swatching. It comes, like I said, it comes in combo, like a duo. So it has a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, and the shade I am trying on my hand is BFF3. The liquid lipstick is called Speed Up. So this is give me like a really baby pinky nudie type of lip. The next lip bundle I'm gonna be swatching is called Slow Down. Again, this consists of a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, and the lip liner is in BFF4 This is a really like a chocolate brown lip liner. I really love this shade. I feel this is everyone's favorite. And the liquid lipstick on it is called Slow Down. This is giving me like a really nudish peachy liquid lipstick, and I kind of like it. I don't know, I feel like this combo is gonna be fire on my lips. And the first blush palette I'm gonna be swatching is called Construct. This is a pressed powder blush. This is kind of like a contour shade, so it's not gonna really show up on my skin as blush. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but based on my swatching on my skin, it's not really like pigmented enough. I hopefully when I try it on my face, it's gonna be like, whoa, what is that? So yeah, this is kind of like giving my like a contour vibe shade. And the next shade I am swatching is called We Saw Why You Work. This is a really pinkish blush. This color is going to show really well on my cheek and my face, and I like the way it's swatched. And the next collection we're going to be swatching is the pressed powder eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is really lovely. This consists of 9 different shades. We have about 4 matte and a bit of 5 shimmer shade. 4 is more of a shimmer, and the 5th one, which is kind of like the black color, is in between a glitter and a matte shade, so you can't really tell what category it is, if it's a matte shade or a shimmer shade. And this palette comes with a mirror, which is really nice. MakeupShayla, love that. And the names of each individual shadows are right underneath, which is easy to, like, you know, in terms when you're doing a video, when it say, oh, this is what you're using. If you think this is too big, you can put the blush compared to your bag because it comes with a mirror. Lovely, beautiful. The first one is called Proceed, and the next one is called Maintenance Dead End. These are really like construction workside roadworks kind of theme. And the second row we have is a warning, and next to it is called Hazard. I guess that's what it is. And the next shade that stands it whole, like it's like the center of this collection, is called Caution, which is a really yellow matte shade. And the next row, which is the last row, the next shade is called Drill, and next to it is called Couture, and the last shade in this palette is called Gloves On. Enough of the talking now, enough of the explanation now. We just need to get this shade into action, into work, and we just need to proceed with caution. So to start up, we're just gonna need to prime our eyelid. We need a eyeshadow base to hold on to this pigment. I'm gonna be using my P. Louise base in Room 5 to prime my eyelid. And I'm gonna use my blender brush to blend out this eyes primer on my eyelid out, you know, so that everything look all balanced and view see through. Our eyes is primed, the powder is underneath to catch up those mistakes, you know, those bad decisions. And we're gonna go straight in working out this palette. I use Proceed first, which is the first shade, as a brown color. And I'm taking this blender brush from Morphe called M502 just to actually blend that eyebrow shade down because it's looking ugly. So for the next shade, I'll be using Couture as my crease color. Oh, this is really giving me the magic. For the next shade, I'm going to be using the shade called Maintenance. Really like a burgundy. Ooh, shade. Right. That is so pigmented. Not a bad shade, just that I think I'm finding difficult working out that burgundy, you know. So to darken my crease shade, I'm gonna be using the shade called Gloves On, which is a bit, yeah, you know, I'm gonna smoke out my lash line. So I decided to do this high, and let's finish with this. So next shade I'll be applying to my eyes is called Warning. And I go back to the shade called Maintenance. So I'm just gonna put it in here just to block warnings, like, you know, and blend it into the black. What I did for this other eye, I kind of apply a bit of caution just to like top up the shimmer, give it a bit of yellow tone to it. So this is our finished eye look. I am just gonna quickly go apply my lashes, my liner, do some bit of under eye, clean up this powder, and we come back to finish the rest of our face. Our eyes is done. As you can see, I have a bit of lashes on. My under eye is being bronzed out or smoked out, and I started to put a little bit of yellow to my inner dirt to like pop up my house more. Like, I hardly go for this bold look, but I am loving it. So next we're gonna blush our face. We already contoured, so I'm not gonna put one blush on this side and one blush on the other side. I'm going out, I'm gonna look ridiculous. So what I would do is I'm gonna put this brown one first, and we will talk about it and how it looks on the face if it's wearable, and then I will put the pink one on top to complement every look I am going for. I'll be using the Colourpop Big Shot from Maybelline. I think it's also like her collaboration with MakeupShayla. So I'm just gonna put it right my under eye. I'm gonna be applying this shade called Construct first. Oh God, it's really beautiful. So this is kind of like a very warm up blush. It's not really that pink or out there, but I can see it. I can see it. So it's like very cool down blush, and again, this is kind of like a everyday natural look blush. I can see it. Next blush I'll be applying on top of it is called Whistle What You Wig. Ooh. You can see that rosy pink. Very light hand. Ooh, who are you? Before we go on to our lipstick today, I'm gonna just quickly apply my highlight. You know, I just want to look beautiful. I'm gonna be using the highlight from Dose of Color, and this is called Make and On It. A bit on the nose. Keep his bow. And lastly is our lip combo lipstick. Let me try BFF3 and the lip first. I'm not gonna do too much of this because I think I love BFF4. There go our pink, and this is called Speed Up. I like it. I didn't really put much of it just because I want to change it to my last lipstick. I like it. I like the lip liner. It did really show through, but it's really good. Nice combination. Nice. I like it. This nudish pink. It goes in my blush, you know. And the last lip combo I'm gonna be testing on my lips is called Slow Down, and this got the BFF4 lip liner and a Slow Down liquid lipstick, and I'm super excited about these. This is the finished lip, so I just want to quickly, you know, just gonna put on my earrings, do my lips, and spray my face properly, and I'm gonna do this properly, and I will be back. Welcome back, guys. This is the finished bit look to our review, MakeupShayla as Colourpop, and I must say, this is a new me. This is different. I look pretty. Ooh, I'm back, guys. I hope you guys are feeling this look, because I am. My favorite for this collection is the lip combo. I love Slow Down more than Step Up, but I love these two lip combo. Like, come on, look at the lips. The lip liner are beautiful. They glide on smoothly, you know, and its pigment is there, and very buttery, easy to use lip liner. I love it. Very soft. The liquid lipstick is not really like a matte liquid lipstick. It's more of a very soft velvet matte. And the blush compact, I like it but not love it. I like it just because it's just too powdery for my liking, but it's a beautiful compact. I don't know if I'm going to be using it often. I don't know, because I don't think it really showed, but it's there, but it's not there for our collection. Is the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, at the beginning of this video I said that this shade, which are all 9, is just for like a very smoky eye, everyday look, bold look kind of palette. I like it. The shadows are very powdery. It actually stated it's a press. What did it say in the package, Olden? They actually said in the package it's a pressed powder palette, so literally it's more powdery. And the shimmer is not really my favorite because they're all over the place and they're not really pigmented that much, because I did use Bonnie as like my shimmer shade and it's not really showing through. But again, it's workable, it's usable, so it's, you know, I can still manage it. But yeah, I think I use a lot of time to blend out the maintenance and the culture and Proceed together. I don't know why, but just too much time. And I'm gonna give this collection, this collaboration, 2 thumbs up for me, or a thumbs up for me. So yes, I'm glad I actually purchased this collection, this collaboration, this palette. This, you know, I'm so happy. I didn't get the chance to purchase the first one, but I'm happy about this one. And yeah, so that's it, guys. So this is the end of my review and demo look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to leave your comment below, slap a like on this video, like, you know, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do so before you go. Why not? Come on, please. And until then, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, who will?
So you go out?
Yeah, I don't think I just want to round up my video.
You need to do video for me before.
Yes, I know. A kid did it. Do it tomorrow.